Who is the person of the year in Jamaica? What's the best beach in Jamaica? Who is the best reggae artist of 2022? We asked you these questions and more. Here are the results of the 2022 Best of Jamaica in Jamaica.
All right, so now we are going to a place that allowed us all to be here. Jamaica.
Yes.
Like, we are going to be giving you the best of Jamaica in Jamaica. How cool is that?
Yep.
And we are going to start off with the best tourist attraction places in Jamaica. And the answer they gave and who they voted was Blue Hole Ocho Rios.
You know, this is interesting because over the years we have done this. Dunn's River has
Always
won. I think it was
I was
last
surprised
year.
when I saw the results. And I
And-
was like, ooh.
So, have you been to Blue Hole?
I have.
Okay.
I have. Beautiful.
I-
Absolutely great.
I have passed Blue Hole and I've never been to Blue Hole.
I actually went in August of this year.
Okay.
So that was an experience.
I
It
have
was
to go.
really fun.
I gotta go.
Yes.
So the best overall beach, and this has won many years in a row, is the Negril 7 Mile Beach. I'm sure it's
Yeah, that's a pretty beach as well. And then we asked the best hotel in Jamaica. There was a three-way tie. I don't
Yes.
think I've ever seen this in the history of the show.
No,
Never.
never seen it.
So we had Sandals, Montego Bay. We had Half Moon, Montego Bay, and Hotel S in Montego Bay.
Something going on in Montego Bay because it seems like all these hotels in Montego Bay
Are taking it.
yes.
Yup. So
Yep.
congratulations to all the winners there.
Yep. And we asked, what's the best restaurant in Jamaica? We know it's a big place, but this seemed to be one of the favorites. Ivan's Bar and Restaurant in Negril.
All right, that's nice. Then we asked the best jerk chicken in Jamaica. This comes as no surprise.
No, none at all.
Boston Jerk Center in Port Antonio. I actually was in Boston thanks to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, and I had the opportunity to just sit all day and eat Boston jerk.
Nice.
No,
nice.
it was a great day to be alive.
No pork?
Yes, I had pork, I had chicken, I had lobster. Yeah, man, me eat pork. Yeah, you know what people me say, burn a fire pan a court, me say you have to burn the fire for cooking. So, me not understand, but yeah.
So, the best escovitch fish in Jamaica. We asked you where, and you said Gloria's in Kingston. And some people gave the specific one, the one in Kingston,
Kingston.
on Queen Street.
Yes.
So, that is where they say you get the best escovitch fish.
Nice, bud. And then we have the best Jamaican reggae artist alive. My personal favorite, Beresford Hammond.
What's your favorite Berry song?
You know what? Red Light. And it's not
Okay.
one that's played a lot.
I don't think
Red
it's been.
light, oh please don't turn to green. You have to know music for it. But yeah, that's my favorite Barris. I love me some Barris.
So, the best TV host, personality host in Jamaica
All right, so let me just say thank you so much for. Okay, go ahead.
is no other than Delia Harris.
Congratulations.
Delia.
Now, we asked the best Jamaican radio or online personality. And guess who gets it? Big up yourself, Shiny K. Shiny K Pop Girl. She was the best radio and online personality. She's really great.
Awesome, awesome. All right, so best Jamaican reggae music video of 2022. Jamil, Story of My Life. Really, really good video.
Yeah, it's a nice video. It really is.
Yeah, really good video.
All right, so this one now get me excited. You know,
This
so when you-
interesting.
Listen, you know, so when you talk about food, my sense of my weight and all these things, right? Okay, so we asked the best patty in Jamaica. This need a drink of rum. Okay, never mind. Tasty's patty, congratulations. I agree. Taste is just tasty. Like, yeah.
This one, you know, there's been ties during the years, and this year Tasty's Patty took it. So congrats
Yeah,
to
man,
Tasty's
tasty
Patty.
is, oh. Whew.
So we asked, what is the best airlines to travel with to go to Jamaica? And we had a three-way tie. WestJet, which I believe flies out of Canada, Southwest Airlines, and Caribbean Airlines.
Interesting. Congratulations. Then we asked the best Jamaican social club, association, or alumni association, and that was the Purple People, Kingston College Old Boys Association. Congratulations.
Congrats to them. We asked, what was the best event you attended this year? And by far, everyone said the Jamaica 60 celebration at the National Stadium was awesome. I saw the video.
Yes.
Were you there?
I wasn't there.
But
But I did see some of the videos. It was a live stream on YouTube, and it looked really, really fun.
That drone show. Oh my gosh.
So good.
It was awesome. It was
good.
awesome.
Then we asked the best Jamaican sports personality of the year, and that goes to the fastest woman alive, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Woohoo!
Congratulations.
Congrats. And we asked, who is the best Jamaican social media personality? I watch this lady's videos all the time. She gets it right every single time. I don't know how she does it. But no other than Julie Mango.
Congratulations to her. And then we asked the Jamaican person. I shouldn't be calling myself. You need to call this one.
Which one? The
Jamaican
Jamaican person of the year?
Yeah, because that's me. Okay, never mind. We asked the Jamaican person of the year, and we have
A winner. A double winner, actually.
a double winner, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Congratulations to you again.